Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy meme coins using the Phantom wallet easily and securely. So whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or just getting started, this guide will walk you through the entire process. So let's dive in. First things first, let's open Phantom wallet. I'm using the browser version, but don't worry, the steps are the same for mobile users. So before you can buy meme coins, you'll need some SOL or Solana's native token in your wallet. So here's how. Click on buy in your Phantom wallet, choose SOL or Solana or another token, enter the amount you want to purchase, and then complete the purchase through a supported payment provider. So if you already have Solana on an exchange like Binance or Kraken, you can transfer it to your Phantom wallet. Just click receive, select SOL, copy your wallet address, paste it into your exchange withdrawal section. Now, once your funds arrive, you're ready to buy a meme coin. So now, let's search for trending meme coins. We'll use Jupiter, a trusted decentralized exchange. So let's search Jupiter AG on Google and open the official website. Next, you have to click Connect Wallet, select Phantom, and hit Connect. Now your wallet is linked to Jupiter. Next, head over to the DEX screener to explore trending meme coins. So in Google, DEX screener, and open the site. So search for the meme coin you're interested in, then copy the contract address of the token. Now let's buy your meme coin. Go back to Jupiter. In the You Are Selling section, select SOL or Solana or another token. In the You Are Buying section, paste the contract address you copied from DEX screener. Enter the amount and click swap. That's it. Your new meme coins will appear in your Phantom wallet shortly after the transaction is complete. So you are now officially a meme coin investor. So if this guide helped you, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy trading.